Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for April 8th of 2025 is titled Moon Visits Sister Stars. So what do we see here? Well, here we see our moon, and in fact a very thin crescent moon. And you can see that lower portion of it being directly illuminated by the sun. And that's the very bright portion there. And the rest that's illuminated faintly is not being directly illuminated by the sun, but is shining by what is known as earth shine. And that is when light from the sun strikes Earth, reflects off of the Earth to the moon, and then back to Earth. So that's why it is so many times fainter than we normally see the moon, and so much fainter than the rest of the moon that is being fully illuminated by the sunlight. Now this is showing the moon very close to the a cluster of stars known as the Pleiades, or seven sisters. And we can see a number of bright stars there. There's actually thousands of stars within the cluster. We note it by the very brightest set of stars there. Now the moon will pass close to the Pleiades because of their positioning. So from time to time, the moon will be in the right position because of its orbit to actually pass close to them. And in fact, at some points it will begin to occult those stars, meaning it will pass in front of them as it moves through that portion of the sky. So over this current region, over the last couple of years, and for the next few years, this is something that will happen. And after that time, after we get this in this region, then there is a time when the moon will not pass through this region. And it all has to do with the way the moon's orbit is tilted and how it changes relative to the Earth and sun. So where we will see the moon in the sky will change over the course of time. So after the next few years, when the occultations are done, we won't see them again until 2042. So this is a chance to be able to see some of those where the moon will pass directly in front of those stars, blocking out their light for a short period of time. It's essentially an eclipse. It's blocking out the light of the star, much like the moon can, when lined up correctly, block out the light of our sun. Just in this case, it will block them out completely and for a much longer period of time as the moon moves slowly across the sky, blocking out those. So here we see not an occultation, but a conjunction, the moon very close to the Pleiades star in this case, and not actually passing in front of them. So here we see an image of that conjunction taken about 1 week ago. And we look forward to either close conjunctions or occultations over the next few years. So that was our picture of the day for April 8th of 2025. It was titled Moon Visits Sister Stars. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.